Grow your cleaning business, make more money, have more time. This is the Profit Cleaners Podcast with your hosts, Brandon Condry and Brandon Shane.
I mean, we're up here in Angel Fire. We were shooting some YouTube ads. So if you see us wearing these shirts and some YouTube ad, that's where it came from.
Yep.
But we thought we could cram in a quick little podcast episode. So, you know, are constantly trying to adapt and put new stuff into the course.
Yep.
And so we have recently added the Breezy Blue thing, and we kind of rolled that out to all of you guys. So that's a way to upsell your cleaning company. And we have these Q&A sessions with experts that we're working on. So we've done a couple with a payroll expert from ADP, and we are working on getting some business coaching from one of my mentors in there, and maybe one from Brandon's. We're talking about having on just bigger companies, really, so you guys can learn from other people's mistakes and progress and do what's working for other people.
I think one of the most amazing parts about it is we're doing this with you guys, so it's like a hybrid model. It's not just the course that we put together, it's coaching, it's live Q&A, expert sessions, there's a community behind it. We're bringing our whole team in there literally to help coach you guys, and it's really amazing because it's not like a lot of the people out there that are coaching cleaning business owners that don't even have a cleaning business or aren't doing it or doing it completely different. Like, we're actually doing it the way we're talking about. We've scaled real teams, we have real branded company cars, we've grown a 7-figure brand, and we want to help you guys do it too. So it's real world knowledge, cutting world, real world innovation that we're sharing with you guys every day.
And so, we don't normally heavily advertise the mentorship course stuff on the podcast, but there's also a software product that we have in there called Tidy Your Sales, which we partner with. That's for lead generation and management. There's another software product that we're kind of working on the back end, and I don't want to promise a timeline on that, but it'll kind of be an all-in-one solution. And so all these are things that we are constantly working on in addition to running the cleaning company, like Brandon said. So unlike the other sort of generic coaches you can find out there that may once upon a time have had a cleaning course, we still have one. We are still trying stuff. So as we update our policies and procedures, we update the information in the course so that you have state-of-the-art current information, to grow your business. That's the idea.
Absolutely. And if you guys are starting from scratch, if you've never done this before, we can help you. If you've already got a cleaning business up and going, maybe you've been doing it for a few years, maybe you're still cleaning or still managing the day-to-day, stop. Let us help you stop doing that and get your time back, and just follow the model in our footsteps. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, figure it out all on your own. That's what we did too. We modeled, we had other people, other coaches, we modeled that into this business and doubled down on what was working and kept doing it. And so we want to show you guys the same thing. It's an amazing program. I think we're going to probably be in this business for quite a while, right, Brandon?
I think so, yeah. So the cleaning business, we had a recent podcast episode, but if you didn't hear that one, this isn't all fluff. We had our 2 highest grossing months in a row in April and May. So May was $320,000 in gross revenue. That was our highest profit, maybe not margin. I think we had a higher month percentage before, but it was $55,000 in net income after paying Brandon
or net
and
profit.
myself. Net profit, yeah.
Yep.
And that was about 17.8%, profitable. That's exactly where we want to be. 20% is the target, and we're essentially there while running a $4 million cleaning business with 70 employees, and we want to get you there too. So it doesn't matter how long you've been in business. If you're not in business, there's a blueprint to follow. There's other people to ask. The Facebook group that we have on the back end is just this huge wealth of knowledge. It's a hive mind. You can ask a question and get 10 different answers from 3 different countries about how they're doing things in Canada, in Alabama, in New Mexico, in Minnesota. It's good to have multiple perspectives on things. Just because we're doing it a certain way doesn't mean that everyone has to follow rigorously that method. You can make up your own, essentially.
Yeah, absolutely. And part of what I love about that too is you've got our entire team in there. So literally, if you need direct help with operations or hiring or a specific part of your marketing, lead generation, all of our team is in the community, so you guys can reach out, get direct access to not only Brandon and I, but anyone on our team to help you get specifically what you need answered and help you just execute and implement whatever you need to get done to take your business to the next level, get your time back and get on a chairlift like this. Start hanging out and have a lot more fun.
And then one other thing that we're working on, like the course isn't it's never done. It's like fashion, if you will. This is from the Social Network movie, but fashion is never done. It just keeps going. So the idea is that the course is never complete. We're continuing to do updates. And one of the updates that we've been working on for a long time, because it's been a technical challenge, are these cleaning training videos. And so what we did is we outfitted a team of cleaners with 360 action cams that these mountain bikers are all using, you see going by in the background. And so that's a chest mounted cam that sticks out about this far, and that gets everything around them. And so what we're recording is how they're mopping floors, how they're cleaning it inside of a microwave, inside of a shower, a toilet. And we're gonna break those down into little digestible chunks so you can see. You can search exactly what you want to know, how to clean. You can watch an example of it. We're going to cut that into a playlist that your employees can watch for training purposes. And then down the road, there's going to be an app for employees as well, where they can have those training videos in the field. Yep. And instead of watching a 2-hour-long video of someone cleaning a house, they're just going to punch in bathtub and it'll pull up. This is how we're doing the bathtub. And it's a nice little refresher in the field. You can use it during inspection. So those are just one of many things that Brandon and I are trying to do inside of the Profit Cleaners world, if you will. And we just continue to innovate and add things to bring value to you guys.
Yeah. One of the best things you can do as an entrepreneur, other than like delegate and build your team, is learn how to model. The art of modeling is taking something that's already working and integrating it into your business and not reinventing the wheel. So this compresses time and it saves a lot of time for you guys. Instead of trying to trial and error, figure it out on your own, all your own mistakes, learn from other people's mistakes. That's what Warren Buffett said, right? Learn from other people's mistakes. And one of my favorite parts about the program, other than the training, all the systems you're gonna get to create your daily operations, your efficiencies, make your teams highly efficient, consistent, high quality, profitable, all that. But also, we've got, like Brandon said, the software on the back end of it. So you literally get access to not only us, our whole community, our team, but also our marketing team. Because let's face it, in order to grow your business, you need leads constantly coming in your business, high quality leads that are qualified. So if you want, we can actually install our same marketing pipeline into your business, same messaging, same customer journey, help you get way more ideal customers in your pipeline to fill your teams up so you can go way faster. And just keep rinsing and repeating. Hire a team, train them up, fill them up with great customers. That's how we got to 17 teams today, and we're gonna just keep going. But that's how we expand, and we'll show you guys that exact model. You guys can expand it to whatever level you want. The sky is the starting point. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
So one of the reasons we got into doing this is that, this is the lifestyle we wanted. We're riding a chairlift here on a Tuesday, instead of being hunched over at a desk or worse, cleaning someone's house. But part of that idea is that we want to be able to get you guys to this position. So if you've run a cleaning business for 10 years and you're still working 10-hour days, that's not what we're searching for you. We have better ideas on how to scale the business so that you can get out of the business while still growing it. And that's what we've done. Yep. And so we just want to get everybody there. I mean, it's not a selfless act. We do charge for this service, but we think it's worth it. The whole goal of the program is to add enough value that you feel like this is worth experimenting on your own business and your own customers to see what comes out the other side. And there's 200 people in the paid group so far, and they're showing spectacular results. We were just shooting some sort of teaser testimonial hook things earlier this morning, and our first student, 3 years in, is now at $1 million at 7-figure business and is taking vacations and picking her kids up from school and being an active parent. And essentially it is what you want to be. If you want to be in the business all the time, working 10-hour days because that's how you want to do it, great, man. Let's work out a way that's more efficient for you, where you get paid more to do it.
Yeah, but ultimately what we're doing this for is showing you guys like it's possible. We've done it. We're living this life. We have other students doing it. And you turn it into whatever you want. Like Brandon said, if you love working in your business, keep doing whatever you love doing, but ultimately get your time back and spend it doing exactly what you love doing in your business, or taking time to go outside and actually have a lot more fun so you can recharge and then go back and pour into your business and grow it even bigger. So you're not burned out all the time. So, yeah.
So that's the gist of it. Our chairlift is almost coming to an end here. So in closing, keep it clean.
Keep it clean, guys.
Keep it clean.
Go grab the course. go watch the masterclass, profitcleaners.com/masterclass. Book a call with our team. You guys are going to love it. Check it out.
My name is Brandon Shane.
And my name is Brandon Condry, and we're the co-founders of Profit Cleaners.
We help cleaning business owners create profitable brands that ensure you never have to clean homes yourself again by implementing proven systems that free your time while attracting your best customers and teams.
So that your business can run without you.
We started our home cleaning company, Sandia Green Clean, in New Mexico back in 2017. And we started from scratch, knowing nothing about the industry.
But today, we're employing over 70 full-time employees, including 17 teams of cleaners, each one with their own branded company car.
We have over 1,500 recurring customers that generate almost $350,000 each month in revenue.
That's $4.2 million per year, which is nice, but the best part is,
we don't even live in the same city as our company headquarters anymore.
we manage the entire business from our homes, working less than 4 hours each week. That means that we are in total control of our schedules, our location, and our own destiny.
So we can travel, spend more time with our families, support our communities, and enjoy things like fishing or skiing.
If you'd like to achieve similar results, you should hit the link below to get access to a short training where we break down how we did and how you can do it too faster than you think.
But we're not the only ones to do this.
Our students are also achieving great results and building the life they've always desired.
Like Marie Jed, who started with only a handful of clients in 2021 and is now in 2024 doing over $40,000 a month in revenue, taking a 6-week vacation to Prague while her teams and systems continue to grow her business.
Or Brent, who in 6 months went from 10 clients and cleaning himself to 40 clients and hiring 3 employees that handle all of the cleaning.
Or Krista, our first student who started with us 3 years ago and is about to hit 7 figures in revenue in 2024. She now has 5 teams with really healthy margins that allow her to get her time back, to pick up her kids from school, and go on vacation a lot more often.
And so many more. So you're probably wondering how we and our students are able to achieve such amazing results. The answer is simple.
We made small shifts in 5 key areas that drive successful cleaning businesses.
And this led to massive growth in short periods of time. When you hit the link below, you'll get access to our short training, which breaks down those 5 areas.
And exactly how you can tweak them to transform your business, so you can go from working in your business to working on your business.
And ultimately decrease your workload, never have to clean yourself again, and take control of your schedule.
While making more money.
And it can all happen in 12 short weeks.
You just have to make some of these small shifts.
So don't wait. Take a few minutes to watch this video.
And if you don't have time right now, at least click the link below and bookmark the training for later when you have a few minutes, because who knows if you'll ever see this video again.
So click the link below and get instant access to the training now.
Thanks for joining us today. To get more info, including show notes, updates, trainings, and super cool free stuff, head over to profitcleaners.com. And remember, keep it clean.